Hey everyone, this is Akshay, and this is just a really quick tutorial on how to use Word autocorrect to quickly insert analytics or even cards without having to refer back to a blocks file or use copy and paste. So the end result is you can type some signal phrase, let's say something like getting a roll of the ballot real quick, or a justification for that. You type it in, then you just have this whole justification here. Very quick, very easy. So to do this, just take any short analytic or a card. You want to highlight it, select it, and then go to File, Options, Proofing, and then Autocorrect Options. And so basically this uses the autocorrect function Word, which will just take short string and replace it with like some phrase or like a correct spelling. Instead of using that to resolve spelling mistakes, you have it replace really just a short signal phrase, something like plan focused framework in this case, with like an analytic or a card. So if you're doing a short analytic that is less than 254 characters, you want to use plain text. I would recommend that in general because it allows for more manipulation because it lacks formatting. If the analytic is longer than that or it's an entire card, you want to use formatted text. And that'll basically keep the formatting. As you can see, it changes, and here it's in Garamond, and allows you to do things like entire cards. So after that, you just click Add, OK. It'll take a while, or take a sec just to register. And now if we type in plan, focus, framework, it automatically corrects. So now let's do this with a card. So select the card, you can do this with any single card. I'm using Nuclear War Impact Defense just for the example. Again, go back to Options, Proofing, Autocorrect. And so here you can see everything I selected is in this formatted text box, and I'll just say no nuclear winter Skuros. Then I click Add, OK, and OK. So again, it should take a second or so to respond. But now if I type in no nuclear winter Skuros, you can see that the entire card just got inserted here. Just a blank page just to make sure it's more visible. So you can do this with any number of cards. It can especially be helpful for generic things that you rely on often, but like framework arguments against critiques, whatever, that you don't want to have to refer to over and over again. And this can really help in close rounds when every second of prep counts. So hope that helped. It's pretty simple, very straightforward. It can also work on flows if you do that. If you do flowing online, it can really make your life easier. So highly recommend it.